The topic of today's video is how to sync audio inside of Davinci Resolve. So here we are in Davinci Resolve. We are going to work on the edit tab and this will be really quick. So here I've got my video and I've got the video's audio and then I've got my two audio clips that I recorded on the mic. So what you want to do is you want to press Control and left click on each of your clips. So I'm going to click on my two audio clips and my video. And so now you can see they're all highlighted. Then I'm going to right click and say auto align clips. And now you can choose between time code, but for this one, we're going to use a waveform, and track number 1, which is our video, is the base. And then we're just going to press sync. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.